Hello everyone, welcome back. This is me Jyoti. In this video we are going to learn about A to Z vocabulary words related to nature and environment. If you wanted to become fluent in English, you need to learn and practice vocabulary words which are regarding to your conversations. Then definitely you can become fluent in English. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So don't be late, let's enter into the topic. Here are the list of words related to nature and environment. First let's go through A letter words. Afforestation. Afforestation is tree seedlings or planting trees in a particular area to be forested. Annual plants. Next word is annual plants. Annual plants, which are the plants can complete its life cycle from the germination to the production of seeds. Next word is atmosphere. Atmosphere is a blanket of gases which was surrounded with a planet. Next B letter words are here. Barren land. Barren land is an area where plant can grow and contain limited biodiversity. Biodiversity is all variety of life, example plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms, those can be found on the earth. Botanical garden. Botanical garden is a collection and a display of wide range of plants with their botanical names. Next C letter words. Canal. Canal is an artificial way for the irrigation projects. Next word is climate. Climate is an average of weather. Calamity is a sudden damage of nature. Simply we can say disaster. Coal, which is the word is very close to us, is a black sedimentary rock. Now D letter words. Dawn here. Dawn is the first light of the day early in the morning. Deforestation is the removal of trees. Dusk is at the time between sunset and complete darkness. Now let's go through E letter words. Is the conditions or surroundings which living beings lives or operates. Evergreen. Next word is evergreen is retaining freshness or interest. Next word is erosion is a gradual destruction by the wind or water. Endangered species, for example, black rhinoceros, Aram leopard and sea turtle. These are all the class of people related to endangered species. Now F letter words. Fertile land is an area to be able to reproduction. Next word is full moon, a complete or the moon which appears fully illuminated. Z letter words. Global warming is a long-term heating of Earth's climate. Greenhouse effect. Next word is greenhouse effect. This is the trapping of sun's warmth. H letter words. Habitat is a place of living beings live and grow. Herbicide is a substance that is toxic for the plants. L letter words. Lagoon is a stretched salt water separated from the sea. Lake, a large area of water surrounded by the sea. Landslide, a collapse of earth or rock from the mountain. Moving towards M letter words. Moonlit night is a night which is illuminated by the moon. Next N letter words. National park. National park is created and protected by the national government. Nuclear waste is a byproduction from the nuclear reactors. New moon, simply we can say it is the first phase of lunar. Amavasya we can say it is. Full moon is Paurnami. Next O letter words. Ocean. Ocean is an expanse of sea. Ozone layer is a layer which absorbs UV radiation or ultraviolet radiation. Oasis is a fertile spot in the desert. Next, P letter words, perennial plants, the plants which can live more than 2 years. Pond is a small body of water which is formed naturally. R related word, it is river. River is a natural flowing of water course. S letter words are here, solar energy, the energy, radiant energy emitted by the sun. Safari is an expedition to observe the animals. Sanctuary is the place, safety from pursuit. Sea is an expanse of salt water. Seasonal plants, these are the specialized annual plants from which can live only 2 or 4 months. Some more S letter words are here. Stream. Stream is a steady flow of something. Sunrise is the sun appears the time in the morning. Sunset is the sun disappears the time in the evening. Next, T letter words. Terrain is nothing but the ground, land or field. Transplantation is the process of taking an organ and implanting it in another part. Tube well is a steel pipe is bored into underground aquifer. Tidal wave is a shallow of water which is caused by the gravitational interaction between the sun and moon. V letter word, it is volcanic eruption. It is opening on the surface of a planet to escape from its interior, and when it escapes, it causes eruption. Now W words, waning. Waning is a decrease or disappear the moon. Waxing is where the moon becomes brighter. Weather is a state of atmosphere describing. So these are the list of words or vocabulary regarding nature and environment. Practice and use in your conversation. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.